Welcome to Adventures with Capt Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we go down to Jupiter, Florida. The beaches were deserted, and that's because they were closed because of the COVID virus. It was a gorgeous day to fly the Mavic Mini, so I set up on one of the park benches along the ocean. I got the phone and the drone all set up and placed it on the landing pad. And before you know it, I was taking off. I just love flying this Mavic Mini. And we're going to fly all the way down to that pier. The red flag on the lifeguard stand designates the beach was closed. But look at that blue water. It was absolutely spectacular. The Atlantic Ocean was like a lake. There was only a slight wind today, and it was perfect for flying the Mavic Mini. That's the Juno Pier, which has fabulous fishing. I fished there many times and caught a lot of fish. But since the pier was closed also because of the coronavirus, I didn't go all the way to the pier. Sharks can sometimes be seen swimming close to the beach, so I figured I'd take a look around and see if I could spot one. I didn't see any sharks, so that's a good thing. But as you can see, the beachfront has walkways that lead right onto the beach. Jupiter Beach is one of the most beautiful in all of America. I love coming here. But it's amazing how fast the time goes, and again, this was just going to be a quick flight. So I got the landing pad in my sights and started to land. I started coming in and I decided I'd better go under these palm trees rather than come down through them. And again, you got to be looking around for your surroundings to make sure no people are in the area. I really wanted to land on the landing pad as I had a problem getting a grain of sand in my right rear motor and it blocked it. So it's always recommended to use a landing pad, and now I do. But the question is, will I land the Mavic Mini on the landing pad? And please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel now. I lined up the Mavic Mini and it was another safe landing. And as always, thanks for watching.